Hi, kids. Today is going to be super fun because we're going to draw Rudolph. I just love drawing him. He's so cute. Do you know why his nose is red? Reindeer have a dense network of blood vessels in their noses, and it helps reindeer regulate their body temperature in freezing conditions. Rudolph, in particular, has more blood vessels in his nose than your average reindeer, which is why it glows red so brightly that it lights up the sky for Santa. Now let's start. Let's start with the shape of the head, leaving a space for the ear on the right and the nose on the left. Now, I add the outline of his signature round nose. And the outline of the ear on the right. I add an inside line to add depth. This will help us for coloring later. Let's do the other ear. It's pretty much the same, but it's a little smaller because it's slightly further away. This gives the illusion of perspective. Now let's do the tip of the nose with a little circle. For the eyes, I'm drawing bigger circles on each side of the nose. And a dot right in the middle, of course. Then, a little line for the smile. And two more for the eyebrows. Let's do the antlers. This is fun. We can do as many antlers as we want, as their numbers vary depending on the deer. Let's move on to the body. Let's do the outline first. We leave spaces for the legs, just like that. All we need to do now is add the legs. We'll start with the ones closest to us, where we left the spaces earlier. And now we'll add the back leg behind. Then the last one in the front. Rudolph has a little perky tail. Now, let's add a line on the face and the belly to help us with the two colors he has on his body. And let's add lines on the back and the legs as well. Now, let's color the main part of his body with light brown crayon. Then, with a cream crayon, we do the lighter parts, inside the ears, mouth, belly, legs, and butt. Then, with a dark brown, we do the feet. And to finish the drawing, we have to add, of course, the red nose. There! Look at that nose. So cute. It makes me so happy. I will put this on my wall, right next to my Christmas tree. Perfect. Merry Christmas!